Vidya, nice to meet you. Prajwal, the whole of Bangalore has been hearing your name for many years. You're this popular young actor who's won so many hearts. We are so happy to have you in Saima. Will we ever get to see you perform in Saima anytime soon?
Oh, I love that. But I have been an integral part of Saima for quite some time, and I'm like a regular where you go to a restaurant and you love it and you keep going. That's Saima to me, and one of the best at it. See, appreciation is something that any profession would want, and Saima has been doing that beautifully and giving us more joy to do better at our work. So I'm going to be a part of it, and if they offer, and I would love to perform. Why wouldn't I?
So, what is the thing you enjoy doing most during your free time other than, acting? Do you like dancing, singing, something related to crafts?
So I love dancing. I've been going to classes since I was in my sixth grade,
Okay.
and that's one of my strongest traits as an actor. My dance, and I paint, and I did quite a bit of painting during lockdown. I think all of us found something new to do during that point in time, and painting was that for me. Yeah.
So, how has the last 2 years changed for you? I'm sure all of us got a lot of time to introspect. A lot has changed for us. For me personally, staying at home, I've stayed domesticated. I learned a lot of new things. It was a very different experience for me. How is it for you? What changed for you?
Yeah, I was also affected twice by COVID. So, staying in a room by yourself, washing your own clothes, and doing your own cleaning of the room, it actually brings you back to place. And it keeps you grounded. I think that's one life lesson that no one will forget throughout our lives. And of course, what happened wasn't right, but I think it also, as you said, when you introspect it, I think it made us new people, better people through that.
One question. Since you said you love dancing and since you said you would definitely want to perform in Sama anytime soon, if you had to pick an actor from a different industry with whom you can give a powerhouse or power pack performance on the Saima stage, who would that be?
Guy or girl?
Your choice. You know, let's have both. Like, okay, you can take a female and a male. Star.
Guy, I guess Allu. He's a
Okay.
fabulous dancer and he's got great swag. And then women, I think Tamanna, big fan. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure
Chatting with
with
you.
you.
Cheers. You have a great night.
Have the gorgeous Naira Shah looking beautiful in this beautiful green outfit. Who are you wearing today?
I'm wearing my friend named Rocky from Mumbai.
And Naira, how has the experience been in the South so far?
Oh, I love South. And I'm not bragging or saying something because I'm here in Saima, but I really feel South people are hardworking. They do it by all their heart, whatever they do. And they are so punctual, they are so well behaved, even when we are working. And they respect each and everybody's ideologies and everybody's thought processes are taken. There's no ego, I feel. So I feel, yeah, it's the best industry right now.
So, what can we expect from you in the coming years? Do you have some projects coming up or endorsements coming up?
Yes, so last movie was Hangama 2 with Priyadarshan sir. My coming movie is Ravali, Tamil, and I'm playing a female solo lead in that. And there is one more Malayalam movie to be started. So yeah, coming up next year, I'll be having 2-3 movies to tell you about.
Girl, you're riding high. Well, we're really happy for you and hope to see you very soon perform in Saima and associate with Saima and win lots of awards. Thank you so much.
You look lovely. Purple is my favorite color, and she looks amazing.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.